Hi everyone, and happy summer solstice if you live in the northern hemisphere and if you're practicing in real time, of course. I've put this breathwork practice together to celebrate the turning of the season, a time of expansion, clarity, abundance, and warmth. Lots of warmth. But no matter when you join, this practice can simply be a space to reset, to breathe, and to return to a clear and steady center. So let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position where you can sit tall, maybe sit on a cushion or a folded blanket, letting your hips feel supported. Check that they're above your knees for more comfort. You can also sit on your heels on a chair, really anywhere as long as your spine is comfortably straight. Lengthen your spine gently, soften your shoulders down your back. The chin is parallel to the ground. Let your hands rest on your knees with the palms facing up to receive, and bring your eyes to a gentle close. From here, take one deep breath in through the nose, fully in all the way to the top, and slowly exhale it all out through the mouth with a sigh, fully landing in this space together. Now let the outer world dim for a moment, taking a moment to set an intention for this next season, or simply this day. Today we celebrate the peak of the sun, the brightest point of the year, where we can pause to honor what is full, what is alive, what is in full bloom and full abundance right now. But it's also a threshold, the moment when the sun begins its slow return downward towards shorter days, deeper stillness and introspection. And from that space, we can maybe ask ourselves, what do I want to carry forward into this next season? What can I begin to let soften? It could be a word or a feeling, and just hold that intention silently in your awareness for a moment, breathing into it, feeling into it. And remember to continue feeding this intention throughout this practice and throughout the next chapter of your life. So let's begin with the Dirga pranayama, aka full yogic breathing or 3-part breath. It's a slow, full and expansive breath. Bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart if that feels good. And we'll inhale slowly through the nose in one smooth wave. First deep into the belly, up into the ribs, feeling them expand on the sides. Then up into the chest, all the way up to the neck. And then exhale slowly through the nose in reverse. Chest, ribs, belly. Don't feel discouraged if this feels a little tense and stiff at first. This breath is actually the perfect breath to help unblock those areas of tension, helping us to physically move through what no longer serves us, all of that resistance. So let's try it together. So inhale deeply through the nose into the belly, into the ribs, up into the chest, and exhale through the nose from the chest, ribs, and belly. And again, at your own pace, inhale in, breathe in bright, energizing, clear sunlight. Really feel how bright you can become with this breath. And as you exhale, let the warmth of that light melt away those things that no longer serve you, moving into this next season with more ease. And continue at your own pace for the next few rounds, really listening to your rhythm, listening to those areas of tension, breathing deeply into them, and continuing with that visualization. Just really see how bright you can become. Keep it soft but full, and keep it steady. Feel your body expanding with breath, effortlessly continuing to unblock those areas of resistance. One more round. And let go of the breath. Now we'll build some heat to honour the sun's warmth with Kapalabhati, a traditional solar breath. It's a short and active breath that clears the mind and energizes the body, getting even clearer on our intention. So here's how it works. The inhale is passive and the exhale is sharp and active. It's all done through the nose by pumping the belly in. It's short and rhythmic, just like this. If you're pregnant, on your moon cycle, or feeling a little bit dizzy, feel free to skip this practice and continue with Dirga pranayama. It's a bit softer. And maybe check out the screen for more contraindications. We'll go in for 3 rounds and each round will end with a short breath retention. So let's begin. Check back in with your alignment. Sit tall, spine long, chin parallel to the ground. Rest your hands in chin mudra on your knees. Index and thumb touching, palms facing up. And let the face and jaw stay soft. Take a full inhale through the nose and exhale completely out through the nose. One more time to prepare. Inhale fully and exhale fully. Now take a half breath in and begin with a round of 30 pumps. And let go of the breath, let it return to its natural rhythm for a few rounds. Now inhale to about 3/4 of your full capacity and hold the breath for 20 seconds, focusing your inner gaze at your third eye, really clarifying your intention with this warmth you've just built. And exhale gently out the nose and return to your natural breath before going in with our second round of 40 pumps. So let's prepare for round 2. Inhale deeply through the nose all the way up and exhale, let it all go. And one more time to prepare. Big breath in and fully out. Now take a soft inhale halfway and begin. And let go of the breath. Let it return to its natural rhythm for a few rounds. Now inhale to about 3/4 full and hold the breath calm and steady for about 25 seconds, continuing to focus your inner gaze at your third eye point. Really see and feel your intention clearly in this space. Please release early if you feel any intense discomfort in the chest. And exhale slowly. Let the body rest for a moment before our final round of 50 pumps. And final round, inhale fully and exhale completely. And again to prepare, fully inhale in and exhale it all out. Let it all go. Now inhale halfway and begin. And let go of the breath, letting it return to its natural rhythm again for a few rounds. And you know the drill, inhale to about 3/4 of your full breath and hold gently and stay here for 30 seconds. Inner gaze at your third eye point. Let all this light and warmth nourish your intention, melting any remaining resistance away. And slowly exhale it all out through the mouth with a sigh. And pause in this space for a moment. Feel the breath return to its natural rhythm on its own. And notice any warmth in your belly, any clarity in your mind, any subtle expansion, no matter how subtle it is. And from this space of clarity, let's cool and settle the nervous system with Chandra, bhedana, pranayama, channeling some lunar energy, making space for the return of the darker days and all the introspection they bring slowly back into our lives. So bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra, index and middle finger fold in towards your palm, using the thumb to gently close your right nostril, breathing in through the left nostril only, and using your pinky and ring fingers to close your left nostril to breathe out through the right nostril only. So let's begin to get a hang of the movement. Close your right nostril with your thumb, inhaling soft, cool and nurturing air through the left nostril, really welcoming space for deeper stillness. And close your left nostril with your pinky and ring finger, exhaling a really long and smooth extended breath out the right nostril, activating your parasympathetic nervous system. So continue this cycle at your own pace for the next few rounds, really enjoying the silence, only breathing in through the left nostril and only breathing out through the right with extended exhales. So whenever you're ready, just enjoy the nature soundscape and your breath. Continue to let your system slow down with these breaths, letting your intention root deeper. And on your next exhale, gently let go of the breath. Release all control of the breath. Let your body breathe by itself and remain settled in stillness, taking a moment of silence to witness and feel the warmth you've just built for yourself. And slowly return back to your intention. Can you carry this spark into the rest of your day, your week, your season, letting it quietly guide you, really quietly, maybe visualizing it as a focused and steady fire in your belly or in your heart center, letting it stay here, guiding the way. In this space, take one more deep breath in through the nose, really deep into the belly, feeling the ribs expand up into the chest, all the way up. Maybe take an extra little sip of air as you hold, and exhale out through the mouth with a loud and audible sigh, really loud. Let yourself be strange. And begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, gently roll the shoulders back a few times. Really bring any intuitive movement back into your body. And when you're ready, blink your eyes open back to this moment, observing the world around you with more warmth and clarity maybe. Thank you so much for practicing this practice with me on this beautiful sunny day, and I really wish you a bright and fun summer season. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like this video, leave a comment down below on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you want to practice more. And I'll see you again next Sunday for another practice. Bye guys.